Once you understand the general theory and context behind your general topic, it's time to get specific. A scholarly article provides in-depth research and analysis of one narrow subtopic of a general topic. For example, we already understand the theory and context of dyslexia in the classroom from researching in books. Now we want to do a deeper dive into a very specific small area of the general topic. For example, how does an early dyslexia diagnosis affect students' self-perception? How does it affect the way others treat them? For such a specific topic, we would look for scholarly articles like this one, Impact of the Time of Diagnosis on the Perceived Competence of Adolescents with Dyslexia. Notice that the scholarly article is extremely specific. You're not going to understand the whole topic by reading one scholarly article. Instead, you're going to get a ton of very detailed information about one very narrow subset of the general topic. You'll probably need to consult many different scholarly articles to get the full picture. It can take many years to publish a book, and it's much faster to publish an article. Because of that, scholarly articles often have more up-to-date information than books. Also, you'll probably get more detailed information from a scholarly article than from a book. Scholarly articles are much shorter than books, usually about 10 to 30 pages. They're not published individually, they're published in journals, which are kind of like magazines for different academic topics. To find articles, you can sometimes use a combined library catalog search, or you can pick a subject-specific database to find articles about your topic. Sometimes your professor will ask you to find peer-reviewed scholarly articles. This is a special category of scholarly articles. A researcher writes an article and sends it to a journal to be published. Before the article is published, the journal will ask experts in the field to read it. The experts make sure the information is reliable. Is the sample size large enough? Are they using an outdated method? Are they jumping to wild conclusions? If they say it's good, the journal publishes it, and this is now a peer-reviewed article. That means you as a researcher can feel better about relying on it. The peer review label is only available for scholarly articles. You won't find any books or reference items with the peer review label. It's just not available, even for the highest quality information.